What's going on, everybody? Welcome to another week of Ryan's Radar. It is February 12th, 2024. And pardon my voice if it seems a little off. I was sick recently, got my voice taken away, throat was bothering me. But nonetheless, I'm back. I'm feeling a little bit better. And the voice will come back healed. So let's take a look at what we're doing for EURUSD. Uh, just diving right in, I believe we're getting set up for a range. So there's going to be some short-term ranges. Overall, we're in a bullish channel. You can just clear as day see that price is going up. We got higher highs, higher lows, while it just formed a lower low in itself on the higher time frame. So take a look here. So we had price actually come down and retest a similar point that was already retested, but it also the candle body on the daily here broke past the candle bodies of here, and that's usually a telltale sign that price is considered to be a lower low. Not all the time, it all depends, but just based off that momentum, I am looking to see price drop overall, but that might take a few days. That might be more consolidating with an inducement to the top side that's going to reach the highs of these supplies right here, and then we shoot back down, or if it's just going to keep consolidating and eventually just have that big move. Because fair warning, tomorrow morning is CPI news. So you got CPI news, core inflation rates. It's going to be a lot, and I know there's a few other news happening throughout the morning, but the CPI is going to pretty much shit on all of it. So it's just a matter of what's it going to look like come time New York session. So not sure how the volatility is going to be right now, but I'm just based off what I'm seeing here, price is going to range. So your best bet, if we're playing this, outside of news, but just looking at it from a technical standpoint of market structure, your best bet is to wait for price to hit in these demands down to this part. And yeah, I'll get rid of that later, but down to these demands, maybe break this trend line liquidity that it has for some inducements for a break of structure, um, or just a trend line break, right? Because that's just a lot of momentum. So they think, oh, let me get in for the sell, and it reverses, and it can gladly shoot right back up again, maintaining it, right? I do believe we are going to see price shoot a little bit higher. Um, but overall, like I said, I am seeing price being bearish. So I'm going to see price shoot up hard, and then we'll look for it to start making its way back down again. For GBPUSD, this one's definitely in more of a range, more than EU, but it is showing signs that we don't want to be touching it until price is coming down into these zones. So we have a 1 hour area that was hit and retested. Just make sure that this is right. Right there. 1 hour demand. Go to the 30-minute. We have another 30-minute, and so it's just like within each one, there's another one. So I'll draw it up for you guys here. And then if I go one more down, right here to the 15-minute. I could draw this as like the line because it's technically a 15-minute line right here, right? So it was the last bullish candle or bearish candle down before price completely reversed. We got a 15. So we'll see. But it's getting ready for a range. I could see price shoot up a little bit more, but your best bet is don't try to get in too soon on anything. With the news tomorrow, it could shoot price down into these demand zones and then just boom, shoot it right back up. Or it could go up and then back down and then just maintain the range overall. So just don't expect the whole price for too long unless it has some sort of crazy momentum that just pushes this back and you capture it somehow. Regardless, if it comes up to here after being, if it comes down to here after being consolidating and then it shoots up to the high and you're still in the trade because you took a buy down here, like take it out. They'll try to guess the breakout. It's going to be too much. So I'm looking at price being bullish overall, but I need to see something happen here. I need to see price come down into these demands. Same thing for EU. I think I want to see price come down into these demands first, and then we'll see if it wants to shoot up first and then drop. I don't care. I do see it being bullish though. So with that being said, I'll hop on tomorrow. We'll see what price ended up doing, what trades we caught in the group. And for anybody that has any questions, go ahead, check out the description and see if there's anything that resonates with you and reach out if you need any help. Peace out.